Welcome to the future of education. Artificial intelligence isn't just for robots and researchers anymore. It's revolutionizing how we learn. We still love videos, of course, but now we're using the power of AI to personalize the learning experience in ways I never thought possible. Today, we're diving deep into how students can use AI to study smarter, not harder. We'll explore tools and techniques that can help you grasp new ideas faster, retain information longer, and maybe even enjoy the learning process a bit more. So if you're curious about how to use the latest technology to reach your full potential, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about personalized learning. Traditional studying methods assume every student learns the same way, but we know that's not true. Some of us are visual learners, some learn by doing, and others need to hear information explained out loud. That's where AI comes in. AI-powered learning platforms like Khan Academy, Coursera, and edX use machine learning algorithms to create personalized learning paths tailored to your strengths and weaknesses. These platforms track your progress, identify your knowledge gaps, and even suggest additional resources like practice exercises or related videos. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7, guiding you through your learning journey at your own pace. So, if you're tired of one-size-fits-all learning methods, AI-powered platforms offer a refreshing and effective alternative. Next, let's talk about AI-powered note-taking. Tools like Notion, Otter AI, and Evernote use artificial intelligence to transcribe lectures in real time, summarize complex ideas, and organize your notes automatically. Imagine listening to a lecture and having the key points automatically highlighted in your digital notebook. These tools can also identify important keywords, create summaries of lengthy text, and even generate flashcards to help you memorize key concepts. No more spending hours rereading pages and pages of notes. AI-powered note-taking apps can help you categorize your notes by subject, date, or even keywords. So whether you're a student who struggles with traditional note-taking or simply looking for ways to make the process more efficient, AI-powered tools can be a game changer. Managing your time and staying focused can be tough, especially with so many distractions vying for our attention. But AI can help you regain control of your schedule and boost your productivity. AI-driven tools like Sunsama, Todoist, and Forest analyze your study habits and suggest optimized schedules based on your deadlines and goals. Imagine having a personal assistant who knows when you're most productive and schedules your study sessions accordingly. These tools can also help you break down large tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks, making daunting projects feel less overwhelming. And for those who struggle with staying focused, there are AI-powered apps like Freedom and Serene that block distracting websites and apps during your designated study time. By integrating these AI-powered time management and focus tools into your routine, you can optimize your study sessions, minimize distractions, and make the most of your valuable time. Chapter 4: AI for Research Assistants. AI can be your secret weapon, helping you find relevant sources faster and more accurately. Tools like Zotero, EndNote, and Cite This For Me simplify gathering, organizing, and citing research papers. Imagine a research assistant who collects bibliographic information, generates citations, and organizes your notes. AI-powered search engines like Semantic Scholar and Google Scholar return more relevant and accurate results. This can save you countless hours of manual searching and analysis. Chapter 5: AI Tutoring and Homework Help. We've all been there, stuck on a tough problem. What if you had access to on-demand help? That's where AI tutoring tools come in. Apps like Photomath, Socratic, and Brainly offer instant help. Take a picture and the AI provides step-by-step solutions. These platforms help you understand concepts. They identify weaknesses and suggest practice problems. Some platforms offer live chat sessions with tutors. Reach out for help from AI-powered tutoring tools. They provide the support you need to succeed. Chapter 6: AI-powered study groups and collaboration. Studying doesn't have to be a solitary endeavor. Collaborating with classmates can be a fun and effective way to learn. And AI is making it easier than ever to connect with peers and work together towards common goals. Study platforms like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Discord are integrating AI to enhance collaboration and communication within study groups. Imagine having an AI assistant that helps you schedule group meetings, assign tasks, and even suggest relevant resources for your team. These platforms can also use AI to analyze group dynamics, identifying areas where communication can be improved or where team members might need additional support. So, whether you're working on a group project, preparing for an exam, or simply want to connect with other learners, AI-powered study platforms can facilitate seamless collaboration and enhance the learning experience for everyone involved. Chapter 7: AI for test preparation. Test preparation can be stressful and time-consuming, but AI is changing the game by offering personalized practice tests, adaptive learning algorithms, and detailed performance analytics. Platforms like Magoosh, Prep Scholar, and UWorld offer AI-powered test prep tools that adapt to your learning style and pace. Imagine taking a practice test where the difficulty level adjusts in real time based on your performance, focusing on areas where you need the most practice. These platforms also provide detailed performance reports that highlight your strengths and weaknesses, allowing you to tailor your study plan accordingly. By leveraging the power of AI, you can optimize your test preparation, identify areas for improvement, and approach your exams with confidence, knowing that you've prepared effectively and strategically. Learning a new language can be an incredibly rewarding experience, opening up new cultures, perspectives, and opportunities. And with the help of AI, it's becoming more accessible and engaging than ever before. AI-powered language platforms like Duolingo, Babbel, and Rosetta Stone offer immersive learning experiences tailored to your skill level and learning style. Imagine having a personalized language tutor who adjusts the pace and difficulty of lessons based on your progress, providing instant feedback and encouragement along the way. These platforms use AI to analyze your pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary, identifying areas where you need improvement and suggesting targeted exercises to help you master those skills. They also offer a variety of interactive exercises, games, and real-world scenarios to make language learning fun and engaging. So, whether you're dreaming of traveling the world, connecting with people from different cultures, or simply expanding your horizons, AI-powered language learning tools can help you achieve your goals and unlock a world of possibilities. Let's face it, studying can be stressful. Deadlines, exams, and the pressure to succeed can take a toll on our mental health. But AI is emerging as a valuable tool for managing stress, promoting mindfulness, and improving our overall well-being. Apps like Wobot and Calm use AI to monitor your mood, sleep patterns, and activity levels, identifying potential signs of stress or anxiety. These apps offer a variety of tools and techniques to help you manage stress, including guided meditations, breathing exercises, and cognitive behavioral therapy exercises. They can also provide personalized recommendations for activities that promote relaxation and well-being, such as yoga, journaling, or spending time in nature. And for those who prefer a more human touch, some AI-powered mental health platforms offer access to licensed therapists via text, voice, or video chat. By integrating AI-powered tools into your self-care routine, you can manage stress, improve your mood, and enhance your overall well-being. From essays to research papers, academic writing can be a daunting task, but AI is here to help, offering a suite of tools to improve your grammar, enhance your writing style, and boost your overall clarity and conciseness. Grammarly, ProWriting Aid, and Hemingway are just a few examples of AI-powered writing assistants that can take your writing to the next level. Imagine having a virtual editor who catches your typos, suggests grammatical improvements, and even helps you strengthen your arguments. These tools go beyond basic grammar and spell check, offering stylistic suggestions, identifying passive voice, and even assessing the readability of your writing. They can help you eliminate wordiness, improve sentence structure, and ensure that your writing is clear, concise, and engaging. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, AI-powered writing assistants can be invaluable tools for improving your writing skills, boosting your confidence, and producing high-quality academic work. Artificial intelligence is transforming education, making learning more accessible, efficient, and personalized than ever before. From personalized learning platforms to AI-powered writing assistants, the possibilities are endless. By integrating these AI tools into your study routine, you can unlock your full potential and achieve academic success. Embrace the future of learning and let AI help you study smarter, not harder. Use them strategically, stay curious, and never stop learning.